Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share guys. So for today's video guys, we will talk about guys on how to transfer funds from Connect to card to other banks. So guys, ano po ba yung Connect to card? So ito po yung kadalasan natin na sinasabi na card ink. So mag-transfer po tayo online. So first things first guys, check natin yung ating balance and then i-click po natin sa baba yung fund transfer. And then doon natin na yan, fund transfer. So ibaba lang natin, scroll down, makikita natin dyan. And after that guys, syempre i-click natin yung source of account natin. So i-click natin yung sa atin na pwede tayo mag-withdraw. And then after that guys, piliin po natin yung enter bank transfer. Tapos dito guys, hanapin natin yung input reception information. Pasensya na yung aking. So, dito makikita din natin yung mga bank, list of bank na pwede kayo mag-transfer ng funds. So, dito sa aming side guys, dito ako sa GoTime Bank. And then, input natin. Then, ito guys, 12-digit number ito. Wag po yung number ng ating GoTime ang hanapin natin. Doon tayo sa ating application sa GoTime. Hanap natin yan sa may gilid, doon sa may account. And kopyahin lang natin. And then input lahat kung magkano yung ito-transfer natin na amounts. And then after that, confirmation po natin, submit if wala ng problema. Please double check the account number and successful. So, kahapon ko po ito na transfer at agad-agad naman na-receive natin and available for withdrawal. And that is, so ayun guys, available po siya for withdraw. So, if gusto niyo po ng ganitong video guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment and thank you for watching. Bye-bye po guys.